Hey you guys, so I'm going to show you guys how I refreshed my silk press because I feel like it got wet in the shower or when I was asleep. Maybe I sweat in my sleep, I'm not really sure. So I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner on it. And then I'm going to do the Kenra blow dry spray. I'm just gonna blow dry it, stretch it out a little bit more. The difference that just made is shocking. So then I'm going to take a little bit of oil sheen and then this Kenra heat block spray. And then some anti-humidity spray by Kenra. Push that all through. What is that? I feel like that made such a difference. Okay, my roots are still a little poofy because I didn't hit it with the blow dryer. Should I do it with the blow dryer or the hot comb? Is that a gray? Oh my god. Oh, that's not a gray. Hold on. Is that a gray? Oh, must be a light. Is that a gray hair? Yeah, just a light. Okay, too. Let me try to hit it with the blow dryer real quick. It made a small difference. I'm still gonna hit it with the blow dryer up here. It got to be help the flyaways. A bit more oil sheen. Hey. She went somewhere.
She went somewhere?
Yeah, she said she'll be back though. I think she went to pick her baby up and to get something to eat.
Okay. Is that your client right there?
Yeah.
Did you get the payment set up?
Yeah, thank you.
Am I go back up here?
Sit down, let me see. I think it's got like, sit down.
Alright.
Cause I seen you pull up, I'm like, Alina ain't here.
Right. And then I thought that was your car. Y'all must got the same car.
I parked over there.
Oh, okay. See, it's a car right here, and I thought that was yours.
Yeah, I just gotta go down the street. I was coming back.
Now, what's the time to it? I don't. No. But what about it? I don't plan on sitting down at graduation. I was gonna get that at the same time I got there for more.
Okay, y'all, so too much was going on in the salon, but this is the finished look. I kind of didn't like it. I feel like it looked too straight. I'm not really used to having bone straight hair. I kind of like some body in there. You kind of see me trying to play with it, but I just accepted it, and this is where we are. So please like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Beauty by Deja J and Deja J XO.